Hey there! I'm Sahinur, and I'm a Python developer. I've been using Python for years, and I've seen firsthand how powerful and versatile it is. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the reasons why you should learn Python. I'll also share some success stories of people who have learned Python and gone on to do great things. So, if you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-learn programming language, then Python is a great choice. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. Benefits of learning Python. Here are just a few of the benefits of learning Python. 1. It's used by some of the biggest companies in the world. Google, Facebook, Netflix, and many more all use Python. 2. It's open source, so it's free to use and there's a huge community of developers who can help you if you get stuck. It's versatile. You can use Python for web development, data science, machine learning, and more. It's easy to learn. Python's syntax is simple and easy to understand, making it a great choice for beginners. Here are a few success stories of people who have learned Python and gone on to do great things. Amit Agarwal is the founder of Digital Inspiration, a popular technology blog. He started learning Python in 2004 and used it to build his website. Today, Digital Inspiration is worth millions of dollars. Drew Houston is the co-founder and CEO of Dropbox, a file-sharing service. He learned Python in college and used it to build the first version of Dropbox. Today, Dropbox is worth billions of dollars. Nathaniel Brockman is the founder of Codecademy, an online coding school. He learned Python in high school and used it to build the first version of Codecademy. Today, Codecademy is worth millions of dollars. So, if you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-learn programming language, then Python is a great choice. What are you waiting for? Start learning today. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to learn Python. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.